Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry this lighting right here is going to be kind of awkward. I promise it's better during the actual video, but I made the mistake of waiting to film this until like right around the time that it starts to get dark. Don't ask me why, probably because I'm not actually going out now for like another half hour, and so I was like, oh, it'll be fine. Like, I'll have plenty of time to film the video, which I did have plenty of time to film the video. Just didn't even think about when the sun was going to set. So I kind of in a little bit of a different spot, just like a different angle. I had to like put my lamp down, and we're trying to make this lighting work. So sorry about that. But so today I'm just doing like a full face contour, highlight, blush, foundation, eyebrows. I didn't use false eyelashes, or lipstick, but everything else because I'm going out to dinner. So this is just like a date night makeup look. I didn't think it was terribly easy. It's not super complicated either, and I did use some of the new Too Faced palettes. I used the Sweet Peach one, which isn't super new, but then I used their new Chocolate Gold one, which just came out like this year. So super excited about that. Super nice. So if you guys are interested at all in getting this makeup look, make sure you just keep on watching. And also, if you aren't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click subscribe down there, and also give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below if you would like to see any other videos, or like what kind of videos you guys would like to see. And I didn't film like how I did my hair, but I just used a curling iron, a regular curling iron. It wasn't a curling wand, and I wrapped it around and did that. So that's how I did my hair. I just kind of just showed the makeup. If you guys want me to show some more, like in my future videos, do more like hair stuff too, let me know and I can include that in the next one. Oh, and by the way, this outfit that I'm wearing today, my shirt's just from American Eagle. I work there, so just thought I would say that too. I always like when people tell me where they get their stuff from so that I can go and buy it too, because that's just who I am as a person. But anyways, if you want to get this makeup look, just keep on watching. Thanks. Hey guys, so to start off my makeup look today, I'm going to start with this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I just squeeze out a little bit of that on my fingers, and I'm going to apply that just with my hands. It's really good for dry skin. It helps my makeup just stay on all day and not cling to any dry skin spots that I may have, and I just use the sample size from Sephora is where I get it because it lasts me a pretty long time. And then I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I use the color Vanilla, and I just am going to take that to conceal, or I'm starting with my eye makeup, so I'm using that for my primer on my eyelids here, and that's just going to help all of my eyeshadow stay all day too. And then going in with my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and my BH Cosmetics brush in 101, it's just a fluffy blending brush. I am using the colors Peaches and Cream and Georgia, those two pretty light colors, and that's just going to be my transition shade that I'm going to use in my crease here, and so I'm just blending a little bit of that onto both of my eyes. Then I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics brush in 103 and my Lorac Mega Pro 2 palette. I'm using that gray color. It's called Ash, and I'm just using that on that flat shader brush, and I'm just applying that directly into my crease, and then I'm going to go back in with that BH Cosmetics one in 101, the blending brush, and I'm going to blend that out once I get that applied in there so that I can just have a nice and dark crease. And then I'm going in with the new Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm going to use that white color. It's Rollin' in Dough, and that's going to be just the base color on my lid. And then I'm going in with this pinkish rose glittery color. It's called Classy and Sassy, and I'm using that on the outer part of my lid. And then I'm going in with this black. It is called Decadent, also from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And I'm going to use this in my outer V just to really deepen up the look, make it a little smokier since I used lighter colors on my lid. I'm just really going to smoke that out here and then also blend that out with that BH Cosmetics 101 blending brush once I have that applied with this tapered brush into my outer V. And then I'm going to go back into my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and use that really pinky color called Just Peachy because I decided Classy and Sassy was not pink enough. So I'm going to add a little pop of that onto my lid. And then I'm going back into the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And I'm using the color Gold Dipped. And I'm just adding a little layer of that over my whole entire eyelid just to give it a little bit more of a pinky gold. And then using this Shiny brush, I'm just going to use that to brush away any fallout that I had from my makeup look. Now for my face, I'm using my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. And so I'm just using that little dropper. I'm going to take out a little bit, put that on my forehead, my cheeks, and nose, and everywhere because I've already primed and everything, so it's ready to be applied. And then to blend that in, I have a dampened beauty blender that I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my face with. Now I'm going back in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Vanilla, and I'm using that to conceal my under eye circles and any blemishes that I have on my face. And I'm going to blend all of this in also with that beauty blender once I have all of these pimpies on my face concealed. And like I've said in my past video, the NARS concealer is just really good, especially when you're doing a full face of makeup, to really cover up any imperfections that you have on your face. So there, I'm just going in with that beauty blender. Now to set or bake my face, as some people say, I'm using this Airspun translucent powder. It's very similar to the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I just got it from Walmart. It's like $6 or $8, and it's super comparable. My cousin who has the Laura Mercier one said that it's pretty much the same. It has a little bit of a scent, though, is the only difference. So I'm just applying that wherever I applied concealer. So, my under eyes, my nose, my chin, and then also underneath my cheekbones where I'm going to contour here in a little bit. And then while I'm letting that bake on my face, I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX Micro eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows while I am letting my face bake. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and use the same Shiny brush that I used to brush out off that fallout from my under eyes, and I'm going to just blend in that translucent powder that I had setting all of my concealer spots, and just blend that in to get a really perfected look there. And then I'm going in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer and my bronzing brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just bronze up my face here before I do my contour. And for my contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and then this BH Cosmetics flat brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and take that light color and put that right underneath my jawbone and dragging it a little bit towards my mouth. And then I'm using the two darker colors just to really emphasize that. And after I put it under my cheekbones, I'm going to go ahead and rub some of it on my temples as well as my neck and then a little bit on the sides of my nose. And then I'm just using that bronzer brush just to go ahead and blend everything out really good, making sure that it's all even. And I'm using this NYX blush in the color Gorgeous Pig or something like that. It's really old, but it's a super pretty color. Very natural blush pink. And I'm just applying that right above my contour on each cheek. Then for my highlight, I'm using ColourPop's Super Shock Cheek and Wit, the color Wisp. And then this Dome blending brush from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just wiping that in there, dipping that in there, and swirling it around and giving myself a nice highlight. ColourPop has awesome highlighters. I think they're $6 or $8, and they are super pigmented. This one's like a goldish champagne color, and I just love it. They have them for all different skin tones, and they're just perfect. Now onto eyeliner. I'm using this NYX matte eyeliner, and I didn't really film it, but I'm going back in with my Perversion mascara. After I finished my eyeliner, I just can't do winged eyeliner on film. I decided I tried and it just didn't work out, so I had to go finish it in the mirror. So I'm sorry. I can try next time more, but yeah, I'm just putting a couple coats of mascara on. I decided not to do fake eyelashes, so I'm putting that on the top and bottom lashes. Now that I'm done with my mascara, I'm going back into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm using that white color in White Peach, and I'm going to use that to highlight under my brow bone as well as my inner corners just to finish up my eye makeup look and really make sure that my makeup is just completed and done. And that's about all there is to this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to this channel and come back again to watch some more videos in a couple days. Bye guys!